Okay, we've cut 3 blocks here that we're going to glue together, and these are going to be for our neck pieces, which are going to get glued in here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll answer you and get back to you. Got any ideas? There's always room for improvement.
Go to buyraycon.com/Tom right now and we have a deal for you. 15% off your Raycon order. That's buyraycon.com/Tom to score 15% off your Raycon purchase. And all sorts of audio merchandise there at raycon.com/Tom. Once again, 15% off your Raycon purchase. Go to buyraycon.com/Tom. Hey, can you get Kasaki on the phone again?
No, he's sleeping.
Oh, Georgia just scored again. Well, when we come back, we'll have more. This is the Bob and Tom Show. Thanks for listening to the Bob and
Sit
Tom
this,
Show.
we'll glue this together, let it set overnight, and then we'll come back and attach it to our neck piece.
In college and never got fluent, but then I tried Babbel.
Want the most effective way to learn another language? In just 15 minutes a day, Babbel's bite-sized lessons will have you learning another language in as little as 3 weeks.
Babbel is all conversation-based, so it gets you speaking quickly about things you actually talk about in the real world.
You'll really see a difference in how you can speak and how conversations will be in just a few weeks.
Babbel isn't just lessons. You can listen to podcasts, play games, watch videos. You can even take live online classes with a language teacher. There are so many ways to learn with Babbel.
The lessons online and in the app make it easy to learn from pretty much anywhere. University studies have shown that using Babbel for 15 hours is equivalent to a semester of college Spanish. If you want to learn a new language, there's no better way than Babbel. Go to Babbel.com to try for free. That's B-A-B-B-E-L.
So we'll set this aside, let it set up overnight, then we'll come back with our next step. Thanks for watching.